A question that I get asked kind of semi-regularly would be, if I lose weight, will it improve my beard's growth and or my beard's health? And before I answer that, I just have to say, I love getting that question. That tells me that somebody is ready for the next step, the next chapter in their life, where they're gonna improve themselves physically, mentally, or both. So regardless of anything with the beard, shout out to you. That's absolutely amazing that you are ready to take that next step. But to answer this directly, let's stay to the question here. Yes, losing weight will benefit your beard in terms of growth and health if you're doing it correctly. I will explain exactly what I mean by that after this short introduction to this short video. My name is Dancy Bearded, and speaking of short, I am not. I am decently tall. I am 6'3". Most of you only see me on this video from like here up, so you may not know. And what does that have to do with this video? Absolutely nothing. I just wanted to throw that out there since we were talking about short. If you guys are excited to hear about weight loss and the benefits to your beard, please hit a thumbs up right now. If you're new here, hey, you found the right spot. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to this community. Please consider subscribing and checking out some of the other old videos, the live streams. We have a lot of stuff available for you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. Okay, what do I mean by yes if you're doing it correctly? If you are losing weight the right way, your beard will benefit, and we'll get to that. But what are ways to lose it incorrectly? There's a lot of them. There are ways to drop the number on the scale, but it's not doing it in a way that will benefit your body. All right, we don't really have to go into detail. I'm sure you guys can think about proper ways and improper ways to lose weight, right? That's some bad stuff that's out there. We don't want to get into that. The right way is usually through diet and exercise. There's many different ways within those two giant umbrellas of how to get there. But if you are improving your body weight with diet and exercise, your beard health and your beard growth will benefit. Essentially, your beard is just like this indicator of your internal health, especially physically and mentally. That's super important here. And there's kind of a lot of side effects that come with eating better and working out. They're gonna benefit not only your brain, but also your beard. And we could go into detail on that. If you're working out more, you're gonna have higher testosterone, which is good for your beard. You're likely gonna be more sensitive to that DHT specific testosterone. And overall, it's just good for your body. It's gonna be good for your beard. Hopefully you're working out, you're drinking more water. That's a benefit. It's just gonna be something that makes your beard really feel great, and it's gonna look great. If your body starts to slip, your beard's gonna go with it. I've said this many times on the channel, but it's true and it's proven. Your body does not prioritize your beard. You might, I do, but your body doesn't. When stuff starts going wrong, it says, hey, this hair, it needs to go. We can think about many situations where hair goes because of health. Now, I know some of you are like, hey man, I know my uncle who is way overweight. He drinks every day, he smokes every day, he has a horrible lifestyle, he's got a big beard. There are genetic freaks out there that could grow facial hair regardless of what they do. But if they are living that kind of lifestyle, they are not reaching their potential. If they were to get healthier, that beard that they have would absolutely get better. Maybe it puts them into absolutely legendary territory, right? Most men, adults can grow some kind of facial hair, but how does it look? How does it feel? How does it smell? A lot of that comes down to your lifestyle, but then it comes down to your grooming habits too, of course. So yes, without a doubt, improving your body physically and mentally will help your beard, and there's so much of that tied in with losing weight the right way. I don't want to drag this out and go over any like crazy details of like super science this or repeat myself on this. I just want you guys to know, if you're thinking about that next step, that next chapter, that next improvement, your beard will definitely thank you. And maybe that's just a little bit of the push that you need out there. Or maybe you searched for this question specifically and hopefully you got your answer. Hey, in the comments down below, what are your experiences with this? What are your thoughts on this? Do you have questions? I would love to hear any thoughts, questions that you guys have. Type it out down below, hit enter on the comments. Who knows? Maybe it sparks a new video. Maybe it sparks a great comment discussion down below, and maybe your comment helps out somebody today. That would be pretty amazing. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dancy Bearded. I'm gonna hit the gym in the morning. Stay bearded and stay positive.